You have given us this chance to come and visit your iconic developments in Mumbai, and this is where your base is, right? So today we are on 91st floor,
91st
right?
floor, right.
And what is so iconic about Minerva?
Yeah, so one thing that it is the tallest residential building that we have in India. We are already on the 91st floor, so we are on the top of the world, I would say.
Stunning.
Yes, absolutely. You're facing the Mahalakshmi Racecourse and the entire sea view is there.
Another takeaway from here, that Shapoorji's, a lot of people relate with Shapoorji as a real estate company, as a leading construction company. And this idea of you foraying into real estate developer, what is the ideology behind that?
So we have been into real estate for almost like 165 years now. Though people know us as one of the biggest construction partner that they would have in India, because many of the iconic developments, be it social infra, residential infra, has been made by us. But yes, we are very much optimistic in terms of making our own project. We showed you Imperial Towers, which is the tallest twin tower in India.
That was also wow.
Yeah. That was actually wow, and it is 62 floors.
So it is actually wonderful to have this this entire product revelation. 2010, the delivery has been done, and I'm telling you, I will be attaching it. Stay tuned, because the kind of lobbies that I saw today, the drop off in such limited spaces, you have created mind-blowing arrival experience, and it looks like a 5 to 7 star luxury experience.
That's the
so very similar to that. You're trying to do something in Gurugram.
Yes.
Could you share more about that?
So we have got a beautiful project, a boutique project, a twin tower concept project with the name of the Dualis in Sector 46. I also call it as, the heart of Gurgaon.
So now you've come into Gurugram with your luxury boutique bespoke residences in Sector 46 Gurugram. Could you share what is your ideology behind that?
So we have seen Imperial Towers today, the tallest twin towers in India. A similar kind of concept has we have brought in Gurgaon. It is one of the tallest twin tower that we will see. We wanted to name it Imperial, but Imperial has already been taken there. So Dualis is the same concept. We are making beautiful twin tower concept. 2 towers, one for 3 BHK, one for 4 BHK. Exclusive units, 198 apartments. Very boutique product that we have there. So similar luxury, average ticket size of 8 crores. Great property to invest your money and a great project to invest your amount.
Dualis is the next big thing in Gurugram, because as you said, and today, going through the entire day, your expertise in converting small spaces into boutique, beautiful residences that as an end user, a person and a family can enjoy for life and cherish. So this construction is mind-blowing. And tell me about your future plans for Delhi NCR.
We are very bullish about the product, about the region, and we look forward to bring projects across all the categories, not just luxury. Whatever suits the demand of the market at that point of time, we are looking forward to, and we are very bullish in the market. We look forward to bring more projects there.
So Delhi NCR, stay tuned. We have much more coming from Shapoorji Pallonji Real Estate. Thank you.
Thank you.